Welcome guys to my channel. Today I have a nail tutorial. I'll be working with the Aurora cellophane mirror glass stickers. I clean my nails, I prep my nails. I'm going to apply the gel nail primer and sit my nails for 10 seconds before I start applying the soft gel false nails. I already lined up the nails and I'm going straight to apply my soft gel false nail. I'm going to apply the gel on the soft gel false nails, seal it on the nails, hold it with my thumb, and then I take the UV lamp and put over it for like 60 seconds. Make sure you clean around before you put under the UV lamp, or else you know what's going to happen, a whole mess to clean after. So 60 seconds and I go on to the next nail. I'm not going to show how I apply on every nail because you already see a video like that. So this is a half nail that I'm going to use. You're going to understand why I'm using a half nail, because this is a nail where I'm going to apply the cellophane mirror illusion glass nail sticker. Going to see that's something new I bought on AliExpress. It looks so nice. Everybody's like, oh, you have diamond nails on. Oh girl, why did you do that? How much did you do that? No, it's just an illusion of glass mirror Aurora cellophane in my nails. So learn today, and it's very cheap. It's like $1 and change in AliExpress. It's just wait for it to get to you, but it's not that expensive. Okay, after I finish applying my nail, I have to clean around because it's sticky. Gel has a sticky feel after you put under the lamp, so you have to use an alcohol and a wipe to like clean out the sticky before you start filing the nail. Please do it before you start filing the nail, or else it's going to be a big mess. I used to do that before. I go straight to filing the nail after applying gel. No, you need to wipe it out with an alcohol wipe, with alcohol, to take out that sticky feel. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the nail, file it down to the desired shape. We all know this process because we've done that so many times with our nails. So I'm not going to speak a lot about this process. I was just introducing the video, talking about the material I'm using, the Aurora cellular. Girl, watch your tongue. The Aurora cellophane mirror illusion glass nail sticker. That's what I'm using. So the process is easy. Just watch and you're going to understand. Any questions are welcome at the comment section, requests, and if you need more understanding, let me know, guys. We're learning together. So I'm cleaning, filing, and I'm going to go straight to applying my illusion mirror glass nail stickers. This is how it comes in a box, the Aurora cellophane mirror glass nail stickers. So I tried to cut it, but I noticed you could like pull it out. It's a whole long strand held in the center by a cord. So I'm going to take out what I need and size it up on my nails. Alright, I'm dusting it out. Make sure there's no dust or no nail, whatever particles on my nail. Clean it out with an alcohol wipe. And I'm going to apply some polygel, clear polygel, builder, clear polygel, builder gel, clear polygel. And I'm going to use my brush with alcohol solution to like play around and spread the gel all over my nails before I apply the Aurora cellophane mirror glass sticker. So I'm gonna just spread it around. I love this builder gel, polygel, builder polygel, structure gel. I love it. You know why? Because it just evens out. You could place it in the middle and just sit your fingers straight and let the gel just spray out. And then at the end, just clean around the nails. And I love it. It just makes your job easier. It's not too thick and heavy. It's like flowy, just run around the nails. So I make sure I clean around before I put some glitters. As you can see, give it a little shine, a little more shine. And before I apply the nail sticker, remember every time to cure that is put under the lamp before you apply another coat. When you put the first coat of gel or whatever, do the decorations or everything, make sure you put it under the UV lamp before you apply another layer, or else it's going to be a big mess. Because this, as I said earlier, this gel runs around your nails. Like, you need to be quick when you're doing it. Make sure you apply, do whatever you want to do, clean around the corners, put under the UV lamp before you put the second coat of gel. After I took it out of the lamp for 60 seconds, I cut out the hanging stickers. I'm going to put another coat of clear gel to like finish it up and cover the decorations, because I have to file and clean at the end. If I don't cover it up while I'm filing and cleaning, I'm going to file out all the stickers. So that's a very important step. Don't forget to put another layer of gel on top of the glass or stickers, whatever you put, because if you don't do so while you're filing, it's going to file it all out. The clear top coat gel is not enough. You need a gel itself, a good layer to cover it up. Make sure you clean around, as I said, before you put it under the lamp, and apply whatever decorations you want to put on top. Because I have some plastic stones, like a mirror plastic stone that I purchased from AliExpress too. So I'm going to apply it right there. That's the heart shape. Y is still. Before you finish up your cleaning, make sure you apply everything you want to apply. Then cure. And remember, I don't have to file on top of that after I cure it. For my other nail, I'm going to apply 3 shades of polygel, 3 different colors, some glitters, some stripes of the Aurora cellophane mirror glass stickers, and play around with my brush. As I always say, make sure you clean around before you put under the UV lamp, because as soon as it dries, that's it. If you don't clean well, you're gonna have a lot of work to file and clean up after it's dried. I'm gonna do the same on that finger, and I'm doing the same on I'm gonna put the designs over and over. So just watch to the end, and I hope you learned something today. Another nail design from your girl Negestyle. And thank you for watching to the end, and I hope you like and love the video. Make sure you share with those who want to learn, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you, guys.